Hello everyone, this is Tripti Mishra from Minasan Konishiba, and today we are going to learn the kanji of countings. In this video, I am going to teach you that through pictorial method how to learn the kanjis, but in this video I will not be teaching the onyomi kunyomi. That onyomi kunyomi and the meaning and how to learn the onyomi kunyomi I will be teaching in the next video. So here in this video it's specifically to kanji memorizing. Let's start. So first so the topic I'll write it, kanji. Today we are going to learn the kanji of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you have noted down. So I am going to rub this. First kanji is 1. How many stroke orders? Only 1. So stroke order is 1. How to memorize this kanji? So I am going to draw a picture in front of you, and that picture refers to pointing out something. So I repeat, that picture refers to pointing out. And through this pointing out we can learn the kanji of 1. So now see how we can make it. Here I am drawing. So actually this is our hand posture. Apology for my drawing, but I am trying my best to teach you that how we can memorize kanji through drawing. So here this person is pointing out something. This person is pointing out something. So which is related to this? Pointing out. Pointing out. This is pointing out. PO refers to pointing out. So here we can learn the kanji this 1, which only has 1 stroke. 1. Clear? So now let's move to kanji number 2. I am going to rub this. Okay. So next kanji we are going to read is 2. Strokes is 2. How to draw this? 1, 2. 2 strokes. 1, 2. How to memorize this kanji? Okay. So again, okay, I have to little bit. So again, I would say that though it looks like hand, okay, and the hand posture is something related to this. So here, through this posture, we can read this kanji, which is two, two, two. Hope this is clear. Now kanji 3. Hi. I know the last diagram diagram was terrible, but yeah, again sorry, and tried my best. Okay, so next kanji is 3. It has 3 strokes. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I am going to rub it and make it little bit in the upper side so that I'll get the space to draw the diagram. So I am going to make here 3. Okay. So this is hand posture, and we have to focus on this thing. Okay, so this thing. So here, through this we can memorize this kanji 3. Hope you have noted down. Now I'm going to rub this. Now how to learn kanji 4? It has 5 strokes. Let's draw it. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to remember this kanji? See the diagram which I am drawing. Again, it is a diagram of hands posture, sorry, fingers posture. fingers. Here you need to focus on this thing. Okay, so I am taking a little bit space below. Here we should focus on this thing, and this particular part is to cover. So here it will be like this is the cover part, and this is the posture, this thing. So it will become somehow like this and this. So how to remember? So through this we can remember this kanji. Okay, 4. Then 5. So 5 will be, again see the picture, again see the posture of picture, but here 5 has 4 strokes. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's remember this. Let me draw the diagram, then I will tell you. So through this picture you can somehow relate that this is the posture of a finger. Okay, like this posture and this posture. So here you can see, like if I draw this diagram, which is this, so we can relate it to this posture and this posture. So through this 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this focus part. So through this we can learn 5. So this is the posture. Now 6. So 6 will be, so 6 has 4 strokes. 1, 1, 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. How to draw this? This is 3 fingers, 3 fingers, so through this we can relate, we can remember 6, this part. So 1 2 3 4, 6 is done. Now 7. So 7 will be so 7 has only 2 strokes. So the next kanji is 7, 2 strokes. One, 2. Now how to remember this? Let me draw, allow me time to draw the diagram. So here these are 2 fingers and these are like the highlight, the fingers which are highlighted here is 2, and these are 5 fingers which are highlighted, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So through this we can learn kanji 7. Note it down. Now I am going to rub this. So next is kanji 8. Eight has 2 strokes, 1 1 2. Now how to learn this? Okay, see the hand posture. 4 and this 1 2 3 4. Need to see this 4 here, so 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I am going to draw the kanji of 9. 9 strokes, 2 strokes. 1 1 2. How to remember this? Here what you need to focus, the posture of that girl and the fingers. Okay, so here the counting is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here is the counting 4. 1 2 3 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and the posture will be like this: 1 and 2, 9. Okay, now last kanji left, which is 10. Kanji 10. So here this can be made through two strokes. 1 1 2. How to draw this? So 5 fingers here, 5 fingers here. So 5 plus 5, 10, and this can be drawn like 1 2. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. And in this video somewhere I fully understand the drawing is not that much clear, but yes, simultaneously I was telling the posture, hand posture, finger posture as well. That will help you to understand the picture. And thank you so much for watching it. In the next video, kindly subscribe my channel and this video, like it, so that in the next video for this counting I will be teaching the onyomi kunyomi kanji meaning, and how to draw this, and will help you to learn the kunyomi and onyomi. Thank you so much.